How to delete campaign on Google Ads. So first, what you want to do, just simply go to the Google Ads website, of course. And once you're here, click on the navigation menu here on the top left. Then after that, just go to campaigns right here. So click on campaigns, then go to campaigns. And once you're here on the page, what you want to do is just simply select the campaign that you want to remove or delete. So let's say I want to remove this duplicate campaign that I made. So I'm just going to simply click on the checkbox right here. And after that, click on edit. And then here you will see the option to remove it. So you just simply need to click on that remove option and just simply confirm it. Wait for a second. And as you can see, the campaign has been removed. And after that, you could also do it with the ad groups right here. If you want to remove a certain ad group, just simply click on it, then click on edit, then click on remove. And that is basically it.